it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. Guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with my favorite products for the month of February. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. I'm gonna start off with my favorite products. This time I'm gonna start off with maybe dealing more with skincare. Well, it might be skincare, but just products that's starting off with, yeah, I'll say skin, makeup, things like that. So the first item that I'm gonna start off with is my Olay Daily Facials 5-in-1 Cleansing Power, a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleaner. And they come actually dry. I think I threw my tub away, and I bought the refills and I threw my little tub that it came in. But this is how they look. Like this, all you do is wet them and you just cleanse your face. Just cleanse your face with these. I mean, you can just take a couple of your traveling, throw them into like your makeup bag or whatever you are carrying for that weekend, for that week, and it's so convenient. It's very, very convenient. And you can actually remove your makeup, cleanse your face. It's also, they said it has a toner in it. So yeah, I love these. This is one of my favorite products. Sticking with the Olay line, I also like the night cream, the day cream, and the night cream. This is by Olay. Let me just show you this one. This is the daytime cream, actually moisturizer. And this is the nighttime. But right now, I have been using these two products for the last couple of months. I really like it. I like the results and I like the way it makes my skin feel, so yeah. Okay, sticking with skincare. Hydrating mask. I had this I just featured this in my previous video because I repurchased this item. I ran out. I used the little packages. I bought like maybe 4 or 5 packages for like $2.99, and I just went on and just said, hey, let me invest in this hydrating mud mask because I love it so much. You just apply it onto your face after you cleanse your face. You know, you cleanse your face at night, remove all of your makeup, and I apply this and just let it sit. I think they said for 20 minutes. Yeah, for 20 minutes. And you wash it off because it does harden. It just dry to like a hard matte finish. So, and this for dry skin, it looks like this. It's definitely formulated for dry skin. It says raw shea butter hydrating mud mask with frankincense and myrrh extracts. So this is by Shea Moisture too, so, and I love it. I love this product. I love this mask. Once I finish cleansing my face, wiping the mask off, my face feels so soft to the touch. I mean, it's just really soft and it really feels really hydrated, which I need that extra kick of moisture and hydration to follow up the night and then that morning. I just need that moisture in my skin. So this, and I'm just going to show you this again. Yes, great stuff. Try it. Let me know what you think of it. But since I'm talking about, you know, cleansers and face masks and things like that for your face, let me just go right along with the body. I like to also moisturize my skin as well. And I like to use the Palmer's Coconut Formula Body Lotion with coconut oil in it. I like Palmer's cocoa butter, any of the oils that they have. I really like their products especially for your body. I've been using these products, you know, when I was pregnant, for stretch marks, the cocoa butter. Palmer's in general is one of my favorite products for the body. Love it. Alright, so now we're moving right along. What I want to also mention, one of my favorite products that I started using I mean, when I was first natural a few years ago, is my Aussie. And this is really kind of cheap to me. You spend maybe $5 or $6 for this huge jar of conditioner. And that's like a cheapy conditioner, but it's really so good. It helps when I'm detangling my hair. It adds moisture, and it also says quenches thirsty, lock-in flash for hydration. So yeah, and it does. I mean, it really, really aids in detangling my hair. It makes detangling my hair a breeze. And you're looking for something, you know, that's not gonna break the bank, that's really a cheap, in my opinion, is cheap, because you get a ton of conditioner for like maybe $5, $5 or $6. And they also have like even the one that's bigger than this, that's maybe about $8 or $9, that gives you a ton of conditioner. For the last few favorite videos, I have featured this one product because it has really proven to do my hair really well. I like it a lot. It's helping me with thickening my hair. I just feel like it is really helping with stimulating growth. And that is this Fight Fallout Nicing and Caffeine Shampoo. This shampoo is really working well with me. It's sulfate free also, but it says niacin and caffeine for natural DH blockers to encourage healthy scalp environment and help prevent hair fallout caused by breakage. And it's really doing the job. I'm seeing less breakage or just, you know, shedding of your hair. Your hair is going to shed, especially when I'm wearing it in these protective styles, and I'm not really manipulating my hair as much as I used to. You know, the summertime is approaching, so I probably will start back with my wash and goes and things like that. But right now, I've just been keeping it, you know, really simple in my little top knot, and now I'm just having it balled up in the back with a ball knot back there, what you call it, top knot, back knot, maybe that's what you call it. But yeah, I've been using this shampoo, and it's really, really, really doing so good. I love it. I like the way it goes on and makes my hair feel. I can feel it's tingling, and to me, when I feel that tingling, it just feels like it's stimulating hair growth, and I like it a lot. Also, another favorite product of mine, I used to use this line when I was relaxed. I had relaxed hair, but I've been using it's a daily, weightless daily oil moisturizer, shea butter, argan oil, and coconut by Motion. I like this. I mean, I use this today as a hair moisturizer. Once I use it if I'm shampooing my hair, conditioner, leave-in, you know, with my leave-in, and I will apply this daily oil moisturizer. It is really, really good. It does help to keep my hair hydrated, and that is what I'm looking for. With the styles right now that I'm using, the more protective styles, if I'm wearing it up in a top knot or if I'm wearing it pulled back like this, I still like to moisturize my hair every day. I will take it down and kind of just go through it, add my hair moisturizer, my daily moisturizer, just to quench my hair, give it that extra oomph, because you don't want it to get dry, especially the ends. So I'm really, really coating the ends, and I'm using this, and it's working wonders. I love this stuff. It came in one of my curl boxes that I used to receive a while ago, and yeah, I just picked it back up, and I've been using it ever since. I love it. Love this stuff. You hear? On to the makeup products. I guess we could say makeup products. Well, anyway, I'm going to start off with the Real Technique Miracle Sponges. Complexion sponge is what they call it. It's cheaper than the Beauty Blender, which the Beauty Blender is $20. This is like $9 maybe. I think it's $9. It's between $7, $8, and $9. It's around that price. Just show you right here, this little tip right, as you can see from the side, it's flat. Goes really good for when you placing concealer in this area. I love this. I love this. I love it. I use this a lot, and I have actually put my Beauty Blender down, and I've been using this lately. So yeah, it's very affordable. You know, you can get two, and I think I saw a 2-pack. Maybe I saw the 2-pack for $9 or $10. Yeah, but it's worth it. Yeah. Save your coins and try these out. They're really good too. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the Beauty Blender, but if you're on a budget, this is second best, really. I'm telling you, try the real technique. Okay, so now this is back to my Maybelline Dream. I featured this in one of my favorite videos as well. And this is the BB cream. I'm in 130 medium deep sheer tint. And this blurs imperfections and brightens, and it adjusts to your skin tones, which I really love. It also has a SPF of 30. So I really like this a lot. I use it, I have it on now instead of foundation. I know the summer months are approaching, and I'm all about lightweight makeup, especially now since I'm older. I really like my skin to peek through more. And have that youthful glow. You know, a lot of times when you're youthful and you know you're in your 20s, that's when you're really wearing less makeup, unless you just really want to, but your skin is just flawless. You have no wrinkles, no lines. And this is what this BB cream does for me. It gives me that natural young appearance, which we all are striving for and to maintain. So yeah, the next item is the Baked Blush by Milani. And this is in the color Dolce Pink 01 by Milani. And most of Milani, my little top broke, blushes, it has like a highlight baked, into it. So it's so pretty. I love this color. You can't really see it on my hand, but yeah, this color, just put it up here, maybe you can see it a little bit better. It gives you a hint of color, but not too much. One of my favorite palettes that I have used so much is this. It's my Ray Ray palette, and she's doing her thing right here on YouTube. It's my Ray Ray. Go check it out. I have her names coming across the screen now. It's my Ray Ray palette. This palette I purchased from BH Cosmetics. She has her own makeup palette, and I love it. The thing that I love about this the most, now the colors are phenomenal. They're very pigmented. Let me just show you. Just look at that. They're gorgeous. Okay, the colors you cannot, look at that. So yeah, love it. Love this rose gold, I wear this. The colors are so very pretty. Okay, so it's like 2 rows of mattes and a row of shimmer colors. 2 rows of matte and a row of shimmers, and then you have your highlighters right here. These are and they are, I'm telling you, when I say, let me just show you this, because let me go to this one. Yeah, look at these highlighters. Gorgeous. And she has from basically 3 different shades, as you can tell. They are gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. And then it also has a contour palette right down here. So you have all of this in one palette. And yes, mine looks a little dusty because I carry it all the time, okay? And it folds up. It has the little mirror, which is so cute, the mirror. And it folds up into this cute little compact. Right here, it has a name on it, which mine is worn. Mine is worn because I use it so much, I really do. So go ahead, it's my Ray Ray. Support her, go on BH Cosmetics. This palette is like $23, $24. It's not pricey at all, and it's so worth it. So yeah, go on over and check this out. This is one of my, I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite makeup palettes that I have been using a lot lately. I have the highlight on now. I have this one. Let's see which highlight. Oh yeah. I have this one right here in the middle, and it's called Radiant. It's called Radiant. That's the one right here. So yeah, sometimes I mix Radiant and Moonlight together, and that's really pretty, these two together. So yeah, I love this palette. I love it. That is it for my favorite products for February. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, go on over and check out my website, www.NeeCJae.net. And thank you guys again so much for tuning in, as always. Until next time, guys, peace and love. Mwah. Bye.